How to fix a pop-up that says your network provider may charge for SMS messages used to activate FaceTime and iMessage. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, simply head over to your settings application in your mobile device. Now once you are inside settings, scroll below until you find messages and then tap onto it. Now from here, you'll have to make sure that iMessage is toggled on. Now once it is toggled on, you'll have to go ahead and tap on send and receive. Now from here, simply tap on use your Apple ID for iMessage. Now once you tap onto it, simply tap on sign in or tap on use other Apple ID and then your problem will be fixed. If it still does not fix your issue, head back to your settings and then tap on FaceTime. You want to make sure that the FaceTime is toggled on. Now once it is done, simply tap on use your Apple ID for FaceTime. And once you do that, your problem will be fixed. And that is how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.